Are you looking for the best mitre saw stands? In this video we will look at some of the best mitre saw stands on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Bosch Portable Gravity. This Bosch Gravity wheeled mitre base is one of the best saw stands we have seen. It can support 18 feet of material, has large wheels for easy relocation, and a gravity-fed mechanism means it can easily be set up with one hand. Bosch products are at the higher end of the price scale, but this stand is universal and should fit the vast majority of mitre saws. Its wheels mean it can be maneuvered around your workspace with the saw mounted, and it easily folds away when you need to store it. Unlike rail stands, this one can be relocated with the saw attached thanks to its wheels. This means for less time spent setting up and taking down your tools, and more spent working on your tasks. Number 2. Evolution Evums 1. This Evolution stand is an excellent budget-friendly saw stand. It is a rail stand, with 4 legs that snap into position. It has a material capacity of 330 pounds and can hold pieces up to a length 12 feet. It has 2 large end stops and rollers. These ensure the stock will move freely while you are sawing but will stay in place so you can make precise crosscuts. If you need to adjust the saw or quickly disassemble your setup, these mounting brackets will allow you to do it in less than a minute. This means more time spent working and less spent setting up your equipment or packing it away. This saw provides excellent value for money. It can be found at a third of the price of similar stands from leading brands. This is due to its simple design and lack of wheels, but it is an excellent stand for the price. Number 3. BORA Portamate PM. Even among budget-friendly saw stands, this model is extremely affordable. You are unlikely to find another saw stand that is as cheap but that possesses so much strength. It is a rail stand with a working weight capacity of 500 pounds, and it stands 36 inches high. It can hold material up to 9.5 feet long, which is on the shorter end but should still be enough for most tasks such as cutting door frames. It is also possible to increase the versatility and ease of movement of this stand by adding wheels, but they will need to be purchased separately. This saw stand has a limited capacity, but its price means it is an excellent option for cutting small pieces of material. This mitre saw stand has a 500 pound weight capacity, matching for more expensive stands from leading brands.